Hello everyone, I'm back once again with the next video, and today we are going to cover the part 2 of predictive analytics, that's practically running the regression analysis. Yesterday we learned that what are the different steps of cleaning, filtering and preparing the data before we run the regression analysis. So today we are going to practically run the regression analysis and going to see how it is helpful for a business problem or a HR problem. So let's go and let's start learning. Hello everyone, welcome once again, and now we are going to practically learn how to run the regressions. In the last video we have learned how to clean the data. So once the data is cleaned, it's in front of us, the data is there. So we will take the data from here. I will not take this data because it's not been changed yet. These college, role and city as a qualitative 0-1 format. So with a few column examples, we will be running the regression analysis. So as I said, in Excel we have a tool pack. In the tool pack, you have an option of linear regression. First, linear regression runs on the two axes, y-axis and x-axis. What is y-axis? The y-axis is the data which is ultimately your output. As my business problem was, I want to see how much on the last CTC hike I have to give on the dependent variables. So y is my last CTC. So dependent variable could be my first CTC, how many job changes the employee did, graduation score. So these all becomes x. This is y, this is x. I'm doing the regression on a very simple 5-10 numbers, but when you do the regression, you have to take a big data. So y, let's say these 21 number, x. So I want to see whether graduation scores or let's do it for 21. So the more x's you can take, that's not a problem. We are doing it on a short data just to make you understand. And here I want an output. So we got the output, right? Now see here, first what thing we have to check. First, we have to see the R square. That helps us to understand that whether the analysis, what you did, is that analysis making sense? We did it on a very smaller data, only with the two numbers, so it is not making sense because it's 0.33. As it will go higher than 0.65, more than 65%, that means your data, the next prediction is good to go. In this segment right now, it is 0.33, so this data is not good. I need more numbers to have a right prediction. But let's assume if it is a right prediction, then what is the next thing we need to go? Then the second thing, we have to check the p-value. The closer to 0.025 data, that makes more impact on the data. So that means experience is making the impact on the salary. So if 1 month experience, because we have a data in months, so if 1 month increase, I have to give 387 rupees. So suppose a one employee coming with the 11-month experience and second employee coming with the 12-month experience, their salary difference has to be between 387. So with the 1 month difference, it's 387 plus you have to give. This is how we predict the data in regression analysis. This is called as beta naught, beta 1, beta 2. So first, from the p-value, we will come to know what are the factors which really is making a sense, making an impact on y. And then the beta coefficient will help us understand how much. Got it? So that was about the regression analysis. And I am looking forward for your comments for the next videos. Do share the video with your friends. Don't forget to visit our website www.theskillrec.com and do visit our application. Download our app of SkillRec to buy any pre-recorded courses. I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.